We first brought you the story of the world's most famous frog, Kermit, and his cross-country hop from Hollywood to Atlanta back in December. Since then, our Brian Unger has been following his arrival at Center for Puppetry Arts, where experts are examining the iconic Muppet before he goes on public display.
With his Charlie Chaplin-esque stance atop the gate of Jim Henson Studios, Kermit spent more than 2 decades greeting those who passed below, a beaming green guard watching over one of Hollywood's most prestigious addresses. But when the property was sold, the iconic frog made the jump east, donated by the Henson family to Atlanta's Center for Puppetry Arts. After his nearly 2,000-mile leap to a midtown hideaway, the 71-year-old frog underwent a weeks-long examination by the center's conservators.
Yeah, some slight rusting on the right arm exterior.
The diagnosis? Like many aging stars, Kermit will need to get a little work done. The question is, how much?
We're very pleasantly surprised when we arrived and we found him like this.
And CEO Beth Chavo and her team face another major decision.
Is there a way to place him in the center of something with enough barrier around him?
Where on the center's grounds should Kermit spend his happily ever after?
Don't want to highlight his posterior, right?
But first comes concerning news.
But it may be somewhere else that we want to open up.
Kermit will need to undergo a scoping procedure to determine if there's internal damage beneath his weathered fiberglass skin.
So you're going through the head.
Conservators are particularly worried about a visible fracture in Kermit's index finger.
So you don't have to amputate his finger.
Maybe not.
You're not sure.
We're not sure.
Damage they believe may have been caused by more than 20 years of exposure to California's dry, hot climate.
Is he at our entry, which is on the back of our building, versus is he with the traffic on Spring Street?
Meanwhile, after weighing carefully issues like visibility, security, and weather, the team reaches a unanimous decision.
Right there. So it's kind of nice to...
Back in the exam room, the news about Kermit's broken finger isn't good. Conservators are forced to carry out a procedure they'd hoped to avoid: amputation.
There she. See, that's all what used to be steel.
Rust has corroded the appendage and internal metal supports. How widespread is a mystery. One thing is certain: before Kermit can be installed outside on public display, he'll need extensive cosmetic restoration to recover his green glow and prepare him for a second act in Atlanta. As they say in Hollywood, to be continued.
Aging is something, and he's no spring chicken.